Hello, myself Dr. Manisha, Assistant Professor of Faculty Physiotherapy Department in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Welcome to our YouTube channel in RPIT Academic. If you like the content of this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today's my topic is asthma. Part 2 Pathophysiology. Other features presence of inflammatory mediators may increase airway reactivity and include bronchospasm, contraction of smooth muscle surrounding medium-sized bronchi and bronchioles. Pathophysiology. Inflammatory mediators include histamine, prostaglandins, leukotrienes, platelet activating factor, cytokines, interleukins. Pathways mediating bronchoconstriction and bronchodilation. Bronchoconstrictions, cholinergic adenosine receptors, alpha-adrenergic pathways not well characterized, irritant receptors respond to noxious chemicals, particulates, and histamines. Histamine is released by mast cells in response to allergens. Leukotrienes are most potent bronchoconstrictions known. Bronchodilations, beta-adrenergic beta-2 adenosine 8 alpha-2 receptors. Beta-adrenergic innervation of bronchi is limited. Non-innervated beta-2 receptors are prevalent on bronchial smooth muscles. Diagnosis of asthma made on the basis of spirometry. Spirometry measurements FEV1, FVC, FEV1, FVC taken before and after the patient inhales a short-acting bronchodilators helps determine whether there is airflow obstruction and whether it is reversible over the short term, generally valuable in children over age 4. However, some children cannot conduct the maneuver adequately until after age 7. डायग्नोसिस ऑफ अस्थमा मेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्पायरोमेट्री. इसके अंदर हम जो हमारी मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम होती है एयर की फोर्सफुली एक्सेल्ड एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर एक्सेल्ड ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट सेकेंड ऑफ द एक्सपायरेटरी वॉल्यूम इन 1 second. Airflow obstruction is indicated by reduced FE1 forcefully expiratory volume and forcefully expiratory volume 1 forcefully vital capacity values relative to reference or predicted values. Significant reversibility is indicated by an increase of more than 12% and 200 ml in forcefully expiratory volume 1 after inhaling a short acting bronchodilator. Classification of asthma based on severity. Step 1 intermittent, Step 2 persistent, Step 3 and 4 moderate persistent, Step 5th and 6th severe persistent. Refer to tables in asthma guidelines. Management of asthma. 4 components of care: environmental care, objective monitoring of lung function, pharmacologic therapy, patient education, environmental control, identify and reduce exposure to allergens and irritants. पेशेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि जिससे उसको इरिटेंट हो रहा है, एलर्जी हो रही है, उसको वो अपनी ही लाइफस्टाइल से रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. लाइक कॉकरोच, एंटीजेंस, पेट डेंटर, डस्ट माइट्स, cigarette smoke, air pollution, respiratory viral infections, chemical irritants. Objective monitoring. Peak expiratory flow rate is the maximum flow rate that a person can generate during a forced expiration, measured in liters. Minute 3 zones described: green zone, yellow zone, red zone. Green zone, asthma is under control. Yellow zone, warning of pending asthma exacerbation. Red zone, medical emergency monitoring recommended in all patients with step 3 and 4 asthma. Refers to section on peak flow monitoring in expert panel 3rd app. Pharmacologic therapy. 3 goals of pharmacologic therapy: prevent and control asthma symptoms, decrease frequency, severity of exacerbations, reverse airflow obstructions. Pharmacologic therapy, two types of asthma medications, quick reliever, लॉन्ग टर्म कंट्रोलर्स. क्विक रिलीवर्स में हमारे कौन से आते हैं? शॉर्ट एक्टिंग बीटा टू एगोनिस्ट इनहेलर्स आते हैं. और लॉन्ग टर्म में इनहेल्ड कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स, लॉन्ग एक्टिंग बीटा टू एगोनिस्ट इनहेलर्स, ओरल बीटा टू एगोनिस्ट, थियोफाइलिन, क्रोमोलिन, नेड क्रोमिल, ल्यूकोट्राइन modifiers. Patient education key in helping patient control their asthma and stay out of the hospitals. पेशेंट को हम की स्केल्स बताएंगे जिसकी वजह से उनका अस्थमा कंट्रोल रहेगा. शुड टीच एंड reinforce at every opportunity basic fact about asthma, roles of medications, scales, inhaler, spacers, holding chambers, use, self monitoring, environmental control measures, when and how to take rescue actions.